Hey guys, remember what I said yesterday? So I said that AMC just don't buy in the FOMO, as it can go up, it can also go down. Like the big runners can just move green to red as big as it did. So you can see yesterday was like around a 35 area, shot up to this period. Post market it went up, and then today it just straight tank. So yeah, I got nothing much to say about AMC, but this is all the hoo-ha as it is. I was expecting 72 to be the highest, but yeah, so it went up and then it went down, and nothing much to say, just that I hope none of you guys are trapped in here from the opposite side. I mean, it's nice to see all your friends earning to 72, but if let's say you bought at 72, this is a pretty bad place to be at. And BCTX, so BCTX was one of my main watch today, supposedly. I mean, it's really choppy for sure, but I was expecting it to hold around 5.3. So it flirted around this area, which this was the previous high. At this area, as you can see, is 535. So I drew here around 535. Yesterday, BCTX gave me some nice profit. As for today, yeah, it got halted for really long. I didn't really bother to check why, but it's still at number one of my watch list. Secondly, so yeah, I went through BCTX MC. Oh, and these two, TLRY and SNDL, was their bid stock was running for a bit. Just that I feel that they somehow follow AMC's movement a little. These two are with stock, so shit. One sec. Yeah. So these are worth, I mean, in my opinion, worth too long. Like recently, there's some news with Amazon regarding wheat and stuff. So these two ticker kind of went around, kind of ran a bit yesterday. So I'm not really a swing guy, but if let's say you're looking for something to swing, these two are something I might want to look in. And then GTT, this freaking. Okay, so this was my main play today. Got in here, sold off here, really nice. Just clean action. Got in here, sold off here, really nice profit. Yes. No. Yeah, I mean, I got in here, sold off. Got in here, sold off. So I was at a really good profit today. Then I got in here, sold off here, which is alright. So thinking like it might not be ready soon. Then it pulled back here, so I was thinking like this is a really bullish pattern. And I got in here hoping for the break. So first it just crashed, which I should have reacted faster, but because I have some cushion here today, I'm willing to resolve it. Sort of 1/4 here, because I know like it will just kiss the view and bounce back. So sort of here, seeing how it plays out. Really prepared to sell everything out if let's say it goes below 4. Went up here again, sort of another quarter here, and yeah, so sort of here again, and here I'm fully out. This was the second night. So really bad play for me here. Usually I will just leave anything after first knife, but I choose to stay here. It's decent that I managed to salvage some of my losses. Yeah, as you can see. One advice is do not stay at a ticker that has been knifed once or twice. Don't expect because it will still be knifed again. Think of it this way. Some people got in here, you got knifed. So if let's say it's going to go back, they are really going to sell here. So it's not a surprise. WKHS also some decent move here. Market startup. I know today, how do I put it? Like AMC and all the weed stock are having a lot of noises, but I just stick to what typically give me money, which is play out daily gappers and especially the first 30 minutes. So got in here, sold off here, really nice. Just of course it went out without me, but doesn't matter. I got the profit I want here. Now with GTT, just that I screwed up here. So I was supposed to have a really big green day, but I lost it. Lost more than half, so that's my rule, and I couldn't play anything already. TLL, I think I played here too. Yeah, got in here, sold off here. Nothing much. Was hoping it will have some movement, but I got stopped out here, which is fine. And yeah, GameStop doing GameStop things. Probably, I don't know, I think AMC and Jeremy kind of overextended. So yeah, and this is another thing. AMS actually hit 3.09. 3.1 was one of the resistance. So among my friends, this was something to watch. Like if AMS broke the 3.1 wall, it will be worth watching. However, it didn't. Pretty nothing much as usual. These two still have two resistance here. SPY kind of deep, which all the other stock also follow during this two dip. So I didn't panic. So let's say you are in some swing plays, right? Sometimes there's some erratic dips, right? Just look at SPY. Some of them might play off SPY. So as you can see, there's a dip here. I'm sure just look at. Okay, it's hard to tell at this hour. Like, long story short, I will state my welcome, which is this GTT play. So I got stopped out in my day with a small green, and I hope all of you guys that are in the MC, best of luck. Hopefully we'll bounce back a little for you guys to sell off, else just take a loss. Because nobody can predict the future. Yes, it went up to 7, right? But think of it this way: if let's say you went to 30 and you just stayed at 30, so all your capital will be stuck here. And if let's say you went back to 20, yes, you can see this was the last period of time how long AMC stayed in this area. So be prepared to sell a loss. Have a stop loss in mind, and it's okay to be wrong about some trades. Like just keep your yeah, I think this period of time is hard to have any movement, but then again it's AMC. So personally now it's 10:41. I usually leave at 10, but because of all this AMC hoo-ha, I might stay for a little longer. So yeah, if let's say you're watching the video now, I think AMC TLRY and SNDL are worth watching. I want to see them get over this green line. And yeah, that's for today's daily recap. See you guys. Peace.